You won't take a picture of me telling an ugly joke.
No, go on and tell it.
You want me to tell them?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I've told it to Cindy and Louise. Cindy, anyway. It's a long joke.
We got plenty of time.
Okay. They was going to have an art gallery, you know, where they show art and stuff. And this man told this other man, this artist, he said, I'll pay you $1 million if you can draw me a picture of what Custer was thinking when the Indians killed him. So this man went home, and he thought, and he thought, and he thought. He thought, well, what can I do? So he said, I got it. So he drawed the picture. And the night of the art, when it was held in the art gallery, he brought the picture in, and he had it covered up with a sheet. And down here in the corner, he had some cows with halos on them, like an angel. And I can chew it now. And up here in the corner, Sandy, you listening to this?
Okay.
And up here in the corner, he had some naked Indian women and men doing you know what.
What?
And,
Tell me.
Wait a minute, I will.
Okay.
So when he got to where they was showing the art, he took the sheet off that picture, and here was these cows down here in the corner with the halos on, like angels. And up here in the other corner was these naked Indian men and women, having sex. And so the old man...
What were they doing?
The old man that was going to pay him the $1 million said, now I want to ask you something. Said, why am I supposed to pay you $1 million for some cows down here in the corner with some naked Indian men and women up there? Said, now what's that going to approve about Custer? And he said, well, said Custer, said, holy cow, look at the effing Indians. He was looking at them old naked Indian men. You want to hear another?